Alright, good luck guys. Here we go. This is our 18 Optic Football Collectors 40 count box. That's what they're called. Collectors 40 count box. Anyway, it's a 3 count. We're going to do 3 boxes. First, we're going to give away Cleveland for free. So we're going to copy that 5 times in the mixer. Top spot gets Cleveland. That's 1 and 2 and 3, 4. One more click. 5 times. Richie. There you go. So popping Cleveland here for free. Nice score. That's all 3 boxes. Cleveland Browns are yours. Good luck everybody in the break. 3 boxes. Let's go ahead and just knock all these packs out the boxes. Oh, 40 cards per box. I thought they were 40 cards per pack. I thought they were 1-pack things. I can actually put these up for pick-a-packs. Gotta see how many more I got at the shop. Didn't even realize that. For some reason I was thinking they were thinking that they were 1 pack with 40 cards in it. Anyways, here we go. Optic style. Great deal on these fellas. Let's see how much more I got or I can get. I also have a nice deal on some of the Court Kings blaster boxes. Nick Chubb. Here goes 1. Nope, that's just Kiki. I'll take it. B, what's good? Nice to see you, bro. Be the bear. Kareem Hunt. Bradley Chubb. It's the Threads. Denver. That's the Bills. There goes Adams. Nice Josh Adams there for the Eagles. That's Ryan S. Decent pickup. Peek up. Say decent to peek up. T.Y. Moore. Packers. Whoa, what do we got? Some hot boxes or something? There's Jalil. Thought that was only 1 hit per box. Popping out relics. Royce. Royce Freeman for Denver. Darnold, rookie. Great value in these boxes right here. Pettis, Niners. That's Brent. Here we go. Hamilton, Denver. Andrew G for the Denver. Third auto. Like it gave us a couple extra hits. Let's see if we can get some good color. Watson. Be cool. You got the Conklin on this. Ward. Still got a chance to pull a little Baker or something. Dallas, there's Baker, rookie. Something. Barkley, silver. Let's go now to Brian. Got the Barkley silver optic refractor. Cobbs Jr. Carry on. Last pack. I still like breaking these. They're fun. Alex Smith, Luke Falk, Tennessee on that one. Lawletta again. Alright guys, that'll get that one. Optic 40 count number 1. Let me go ahead and add you guys in for your team spot here before I forget. So every team that you get, guys, is going to put you in for your Nationals giveaway. So pop you in right there and boom. Check back on the 9th for our actual giveaway.